niggas going overseas to fight and lose their life. Right now the ones in charge abuse they right. Old white rich men heed, a fuse may light. Under these kids' ass to pay dues they might. Stop your plight and fight, same dues they like. Mama's back home crying, can't snooze at night. We gotta bring him back, the rules ain't right. I learned early on the world is bullshit. This is what turned me on to drink and pull hits. Can't even trust the ones up in the pulpit.
Yeah. Eon Flesh. I'm coming at you with flows that'll grab you around your Adam's apple and choke you till you can't move. I got a handle on this mic like a bat in the hands of man. I know you fragile, see you shaking in shambles. While you babble, I'ma rattle your teeth with the spit that'll hit like a brick with the beat. I put a finger in the tip of your heat, cause your intentions is weak. I'm on a mission, tell you listen to weak. I beat your ass like a thief, cause I'm a giant and you outnumbered in this jungle. Trying to rumble with the lion, I'm the true hard as iron.
Cause it's the real MC without a deal MC. Are you feeling me? Cause it's the real MC without a deal MC. How you feel? Cause it's the real MC without a deal MC. People, how you feel? Are you feeling me? I see you feeling him and it's killing me. Cause I'm the real deal, they have to deal as me. And it's the real MC without a deal MC. People, how you feel? Are you feeling me? I know you're feeling him and it's killing me. I spit movies and do it through the real in me.
Yo, I ain't asked your advice and I don't need that. All this talking out your neck and yet you giving me feedback. Believe that what I do is for these, my friends, my family, and who I be. I'm not a gangster, a player, and I don't wanna be black. So thanks, but the haters, I just wanna be rap. Wanna be hip hop from my feet to my hat. The way I walk, the way I talk, what you thinking of that? And if you putting it down.
Yeah.